If you're doing wire repairs and so on around boats or boat trailers, motorcycles, anything that gets wet, especially in a marine environment, you'll want to be able to do this. Solder, silicone, and shrink wrap. It's the most watertight connection I know. These stranded wires will suck water up inside of the insulation back in here, and once it gets back in there, there's no way for it to evaporate. It'll just stay in there and continue to corrode the copper until you end up with a real mess down the road. So what we want to do is we want to coat this. First of all, we solder it, obviously, then we coat it with silicone, then we're going to put shrink wrap over it, and then we'll shrink wrap down there. The shrink wrap will help squeeze the silicone into any loose spaces like this, and you'll be left with a relatively water resistant joint that is good for years to come. I've used these on boat trailers decades ago and they're still in operation. So one common joint is the X joint, where you just intertwine the pieces like this, twist them together. You give them a good twist like this. This wire is a little too stout for me to use my hands. I got a couple pliers down here. I've already prepared a joint, and so let's go solder. I'll show you that one, and then we'll solder it up. But that's pretty much all there is to it. You want to give it a hard enough twist that it won't separate easily while you're soldering, and it makes a good stout joint that has a relatively low profile for taping and shrink wrapping and so forth. Here's that joint ready to solder, so let me get a close-up on it and we'll do that. It's best to start in the middle and work towards both sides. I put a generous glob of silicone glue on there, and I want to carefully put this on here so I don't scrape it all off. And there we go. And then it should be about 1 inch on each side of that joint at least. If I keep this in focus, and then we'll finish shrinking this like that. And it's not uncommon to have a little glue squirt out of the end. That's good. It means there's no air in there. But that's it. That's your solder, silicone, and shrink wrap joint. And it's the most waterproof joint that you can make using common, easily available tools.